Hello, I'm Tim Perfitt from Tucanu Software, and welcome to Signing Manager. Signing Manager is the ideal way to keep your signing certificates secure. Let me explain how it works. A macOS, iOS, or tvOS app is signed with the private key of an associated signing certificate before submitting or deploying the application. Typically, the certificate and key is stored in the macOS keychain. When a signing operation is requested from Xcode or a build system, the signing certificate and private keys are stored in the macOS keychain, and the signing operation happens locally on the macOS system. Since the signing certificate and private keys are in the local keychain, anyone who has access to that macOS system can get a copy of the private key. The keychain that contains the private key can be copied from the macOS system and used on another system. Also, the lack of auditing and access controls makes keeping the signing certificate and private key insecure. Signing Manager solves this problem by using an Apple technology called Crypto Token Kit. This allows the signing operation to happen outside the local system, but have the signing certificate itself on the local system. Xcode and build systems perform signing operations the exact same way, but the signing operation happens on a central, secured signing service. The app that is being signed does not get sent to the remote system to be signed. Only the signing operation happens remotely. Here's an example. We have a Mac OS system that does builds of iOS apps. It has Signing Manager installed and is configured with the correct signing certificate. The private key is not on this system. The private key is secured in the signing service. When a signing operation is requested, the Apple tools look up the requested certificate and send the data to be signed. Since the signing certificate is associated with Signing Manager, the data to be signed is sent to Signing Manager, and Signing Manager securely sends the data to the signing service. The signing service verifies the operation is allowed, signs the data, records an audit of the event, and sends back the signature. The build process then completes successfully. Deploying Signing Manager and Signing Service is straightforward. Signing Manager is a standard macOS app that gets installed on build systems like any other macOS app. It can be configured in the app or with a simple setup script, making it simple to deploy to build or developer systems. Signing Service is a microservice that is deployed internally in your organization with Docker or Kubernetes. It provides management of API keys, signing certificates, and auditing. Signing Service also supports hardware security modules, HSMs, for securing private keys. Signing Service also supports OAuth authentication for enterprises that require it. Signing Manager is available now and is free to use for a single certificate and one signing client. We also have Pro and Enterprise plans available to fit all your signing requirements. To learn more about Signing Manager, please visit tucanus.com. Thank you very much for watching.